Hello, this is Stacy Wiseman of Book This Project. Thank you for purchasing one of our InDesign templates. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can just jump right in and start designing your book. In this video, I'm going to assume that you already have a working knowledge of InDesign. If you have it purchased but you've never quite used it, I have in-depth video tutorials here, and this will go through the basic components you need in a little more detail in order to put your book together and to customize it. So I would recommend this item. Now, when you purchase it, you will receive a downloadable folder with these items. So we have the two images that are already embedded into the InDesign file. We have the book component, a hardcover, and a soft cover. So again, you can select which one you want, but they are separate from the actual book file. And then we have an InDesign, but also a template. They're the same thing, it's just the template opens up as, let's scale it down, sorry, hold on. The template opens up as untitled, which is great. It automatically makes you save as, or you can't save it without creating your own name for it, is essentially what it means. Okay, so I'm going to create, sorry, misspelled family there. I'm using a Project 52 layout for this video, the Polaroid design, but the themes will be consistent or applicable for any type or design of book you purchase. One thing I do recommend you use, or what you do, is go ahead and in this folder create a new folder that says photographs, and all of the photographs that you want to go in your design file to place them here. So there's that direct link. InDesign always knows where it's pulling its photographs, and you won't receive any errors down here. And it just makes for a quicker workflow. So here's what your design template is going to look like when you first open it up. You want all of your design to work in this InDesign layer here. You will see we do have the items in red, which will not print. The gray box and this text, it will not print. This is just if you want to create your own introductory text here. This part will print because it is in the blue box design layer here. Okay, something else. The orange box is where we want all of the text and important information of a photograph that you want to be revealed. It should fit inside the orange box. If you do want something to bleed, you will want it to go to the red box, and then the black line is representing the cut line. But again, we want a safe margin, so we don't want any text or important information to move outside of the orange line. You will see that we have, here's an example of the first page. For the Project 52, the page numbers are already set up, so every page is documented, is labeled. We have the captions already set up on every page. Now, the captions are linked to character style text black. So if you do want to make a change throughout the entire book, you will just come in here and let's say we want to make our captions red. If you change it in the text style, it is going to change it everywhere, and that's the same for if you want to update your font and everything. It's all right here. Your page numbers, they're all this. So if we wanted our page numbers red as well to match our captions, there we go. All the page numbers are red. I do have basic paragraph styles just for the justification. And so let's go ahead and just open Apple D to upload or to place a photograph. You'll see, just want to place it into here. Size it here. Let's zoom in a bit and reposition. And we can put our caption here first. Great. This is just an example. This probably isn't a very good example for our Project 52, but it works. Every page that's in here is a consistent layout. So this is a very consistent book that is already designed for you. If you like that, you're just gonna open Apple D to all of the photographs, place them in, place your captions, and that's it. You can add, your introductory text if you want to up here, and that's essentially it. Now, if you want to change your background, you'll just pull your master page down to the appropriate page. So to explain the master pages, in this particular design, we have the A master, which is just your page numbers, and then we have a second layer, which is a second round of master pages: the white background, black, a color, and then an image background. And you can obviously change this to, if you have a particular design you like, this would go in here. I would just make sure that it is not a digital paper background that won't print well. So you might want to do a test on your home printer to see the quality of that. The color background, you can easily just change the color you want it to be. And it's going to change, let's go back to that one. It will change in its second round, in the actual master pages down here. I'm going to change this one as well. Okay, and you can see it updated all of the color pages. So pink represents the white background. We have 8 by 10, 5 by 7, 4 by 6, 4 by 4 square, the Polaroid square, and then a rounded corner square. And it's going to be the same for the black background. All of these are orange, labeled orange. Color, same. And these are blue. And then our own design is purple. So you can see everything here is pink. If you wanted a black background Polaroid, just bring it down here. And pages 9 and 10 have the black background. And maybe that works with the particular photograph that you're going to have go in the photo box here. One thing to note, the page numbers automatically change to white here because that's how it is set up on this black background. So if you wanted to make this text red, you're going to have to go into that master page, change it there. All right, I think that's pretty much all you need to know to get started. Everything is already set up for you. I will just show you quickly a soft cover example. Again, these items are in red, the front cover, back cover, so that will not print, that text will not print. But this title, it's here in the blue box, so it is going to, you'll just put your own, your own title here. So, and you can see here that it's pulling from this title font, so you can adjust it under a text style. Obviously with covers, there's not that great of a need, so you can always make your adjustments up here. And if you wanted to add, your text box to the back, you could do that here and create a new style, or just make your adjustments up here. So I think that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at stacy@bookthisproject.com. Thank you, and I would love to see a PDF of your finished book.